I was struggling to connect with my co-workers, feeling isolated and undervalued. One day I stumbled upon a video about the power of words in relationships. Intrigued, I watched and learned how to use language to create more positive interactions. Slowly but surely, I began building more fulfilling relationships in and out of the workplace. So that was my story. What about you? Can you share any instances where you experienced challenges due to using wrong words or had difficulties in your relationships with others? Hello everyone, this is Nusrat and I am glad to welcome you back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. In this video, I will discuss an important topic that significantly impacts our daily lives. If you are interested in learning more, stick around until the end of the video. And if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do so now and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. Let's dive into the topic at hand. Our terms are compelling and significantly impact others. The language we choose can shape our attitudes, behaviors, and beliefs and influence how we interact with those around us. In this way, our words are crucial in building more positive and empowering relationships. Our self-talk, the words we use to talk about ourselves and our abilities, plays a critical role in our self-perception. When we use positive language to talk about ourselves, we build our confidence and self-esteem, which can lead to tremendous success and fulfillment in life. Conversely, negative self-talk can limit our potential and lead to self-doubt and anxiety. For example, you have an essential job interview coming up. If you tell yourself that you are not good enough or will fail, you are more likely to feel anxious and underconfident, which could negatively impact your performance in the interview. In contrast, if you tell yourself that you are well prepared, qualified, and capable of succeeding, you are more likely to feel confident and perform well in the interview. The words we describe others can shape our perceptions and attitudes toward them. When we communicate with positive language, we tend to view others positively and treat them with respect and kindness. Conversely, using hostile language can create stereotypes and lead to prejudicial attitudes, causing us to view others negatively and mistreat them. Negative language towards a group of people can lead to adopting prejudicial attitudes and damaging relationships. An inclusive language that values diversity can build stronger relationships and foster a more accepting community. Our choice of words influence our relationships and mindset. Positive words influence and motivate, creating a supportive environment and strengthening connections. Words of encouragement and appreciation boost morale and generate positivity in homes and workplaces. Focusing on possibilities fosters resilience and a positive mindset. Positive language inspires solutions and overcomes obstacles. Empathy and compassion build trust and meaningful relationships. Our words impact us and those around us, shaping our self-image and confidence. Being mindful of our terms is crucial for creating positive surroundings. Please share your thoughts in the comments on what you learned from this video and if you found it valuable. Also suggest which topic you want me to cover in my next video. Do follow me for everyday motivation. Thank you.